What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be playing ScrewDrivers Early Access. Let's get straight into the campaign. Okay. We'll take a short look at this, probably. I'm just gonna skip. Let's check out the career thing. What? That's interesting. It doesn't let me click it. Why? Or free drive. Probably need to make a car. Yeah. This is weird. Yeah, I need to build a car. Oh, well. Whoops. Yeah. Let's get a basic car built here real quick. So, we need just... suspension. We're just gonna do a basic one. There we go. That's working. The movement feels slightly different than it did, but also that might just be because the interface feels so different. It's just a bit weird to me. Yeah. So let's get wheels on. And then need to get an engine. We're actually gonna make it front wheel drive. Do that. Connect it. We're actually gonna probably just move all this, make it slightly different. Yeah, we're just gonna do this, make it slightly different, and put pins through it to connect it super easily and part efficient. Okay, we got our car. Now, I hope we can let's name it, just name it first car. Continue. Now, let's check out career. That's interesting. Monarch leaderboard. That's new. It's pretty cool. It says I haven't looked at this yet as of recording. It's actually in my rewards seem to be capacitor and thin rubber tire. That's cool. Right off the bat, I get them. That's cool. This the advancement board is a bit weird, but it's cool. I like it. Seems cool. Let's get into a race. Yeah, probably. We'll see if it's any different. Oh my god, I forgot steering. I always do that. I totally forgot steering. Oh, that's a quick fix. Let's see how we'll do when we actually have steering. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah. Yeah. 2, 1. Yeah, this inland doesn't feel too bad. Doesn't feel as drifty as it did in the demo. I think they changed a little bit of how it glides with the ground. It's traction. I did not expect to be turning there. Yeah. Let's turn. Yeah, it doesn't feel as flowy. It's still drifty a little bit, but not near as much. We're actually not doing too bad. Oh, dang it. Dang it. There. Okay, we're still good. Not the most, don't really understand what the bronze and minus stuff is. I don't really get that. I get how bronze is at 2 minutes 4 seconds. Well, I'm at 2 and we're all, well, not even at, we're about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So we must be almost done. Let's see, nice. I did think I did pretty well there. Oh, cool, I got silver. That's awesome. I did not get many points, though. Yeah. Okay. Sweet, we got the capacitor. That's cool. And we got the thin rubber tire. Nice. No, I did not need. And that, press R. That's the same, but reset with delete. That's pretty new. That's new for the early access. Let's drive for a sec, but not take too long. I don't want to drive too long, so I don't waste a bunch of time in this recording. So, let's see. Drive around a little bit, see how this new map is. It's a pretty nice map. Everything's all in the same map, just different parts of the map. But I did like the old game modes. Let's get back to building though. I did like how the demo had the game modes and everything. Yeah, got the new tire and capacitor. Gotta get a capacitor. Do I have enough? Ooh, yeah, I do have enough. Good. For a sec, I thought I might not have enough for all 4 tires. But yeah, it seems to be fine. Get that capacitor on. Yeah. Seems fine. Center of mass is a bit far forward, but we want it farther on more weight on our steering wheels and our drive wheels, so that helps too. So let's start. Sweet, we get gears in this next one. Nice. We get gears, small and medium, the medium gear, so that's gonna be good. Increase our speed. Hopefully we'll get a new engine soon, but yeah. Let's see how it's gonna be. Not very fast, but it looks like we're doing just fine. Yeah. So, what I did not expect to have to crash into there. Where am I going? Oh, this might not be this. Yeah, that's not the right way. Oh, let's restart. That was unexpected. So, let's go again. Hopefully do a bit better this time. I'm not gonna mess this one up this time. I'm not gonna ram through the wagons. I get what to do now. Yeah. Turn. Yeah. Oops. Oh. Hey, 360 spin. Bit bumpy terrain here. Back on smooth tarmac. We did pretty well on that one. Now we got some gears. How did we do? Oh wait, did we not complete it? No, we did, yeah. Okay. Read that wrong or something. That's cool. What else does this dude have? That's chassis. So what's that? I mean, I'll take it, but I don't understand really. Okay, small. Okay, I don't need to play a part introduction. I did that in the tutorial. It works the same. Let's drive around, explore a little bit more, shall we? So let's get building. Let's build a gear ratio real quick. Just a very simple medium gear into a small gear to increase speed. We gotta move the engine back. Yeah, we gotta move it back a little bit. If I do this. Oh, I need to get used to these controls. Not very used to these controls yet. Engine. Capacitor. Axle and a medium gear, and then I built it. I built it too far. Oh, dang it! I gotta rebuild it. Oops. There we go. Oh, you just click Z, you don't have to do Control Z. Okay. Yeah, let's move this up one. Yeah. So we could actually have the right length so they connect. Yeah. Now it's time for an axle, a medium gear, and then a small gear that will fit. There we go. It's actually yeah, no, it's good. Yeah. Nice. Completed the Prince of Gears. Now let's. What on earth is this opponent? That's weird. Go. Am I ramming him? If so, cool. is, it doesn't, I don't know. Just repair my guy. He's just a sitting duck. He can't repair, he's not repairing. So he's literally just a sitting duck. That's cool. I don't know why he didn't repair. That's interesting. Well, hey. If I won. Yeah, if I won, that's how it's a win. Win is a win. Oh, nice, I got the dirt wheel. That was a good wheel. I like those. I mean, let's throw those on here, probably. Let's probably throw those on here. It's different, though. Yeah, it's different, though, because instead of having to specifically make your car to win a part, just get one car and try to, ooh. Huh? So we can't build it. I'll purchase all of the missing parts if you want to edit or build the car. Okay. So I can use this. Okay. Ooh, the electric 360. That's a better engine. Better electric engine. The gas one is really good though. Gas is the way to go in this game. So yeah. Go. Pretty long race. 30 minutes? That's for bronze? I mean, that's a pretty long race. Oh my god. Oh, come on. I'm not having very good luck with this. Gotta start race because I am not do good. So, and it has steering. It's got good acceleration and top speed though. I mean, it's the same top speed as. Should be the same top speed as mine, but should just be. Look, it seems a bit faster. Actually, I don't know, but it's definitely got more, so don't go off again. Yeah, let's do race. Oh my god, did I miss that? Yep. Oh, come on, go, go, go. Now it says plus? I'm really confused on that, the minus and plus thing. If anybody knows, let me know. This game's awesome, but I don't get it. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't miss it? Oh, well, but I lost a wheel. I am not having a good time. Ugh, this is... Oh, big race. Hope I can finish it. Don't want to keep you guys too long. Might get bored just listening to me talk or watch. I'll be failing miserably. Oh my god. Again. I'll probably just fast forward this so you don't have to watch this agonizing pain. You can slow it down if you want. 'Cause I know I don't. Okay, I think we're near the end now. I hope. Yeah. Well, I didn't get that, but I don't get gems? Oh, come on. And I didn't even get bronze, so I don't advance. Oh, come on. Well, now I know not to use that vehicle again. Yeah, though. So that wraps it up for today's video, and that will be the end. Stormster out.